Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to use the Spring Interceptor and Redis to handle the anti-abuse request. So this will be this is the diagram that we are going to implement. So the main logic is basically we use the interceptor pre-handle method to count the frequency of the client IP address and check the frequency it is too frequent or it already above the abuse limit. So let's see the logic. The first, we will check if this IP address is blocked or not. If it is blocked, we definitely should not let it pass. Otherwise, let's just count the frequency of the IP address. It is too frequent. If it is not, just increment by 1. But if it is too frequent, let's check it above the abuse limit or not. If it is above the abuse limit, we definitely need to add it into the blacklist for the next check. And if it is not, let's increment frequency by 1 and intercept it. So this will be the logic here. Now let's go see the code. In the code, the user controller is pretty simple. We just return a string as a request body. And we have the anti-abuse interceptor. It implements the handler interceptor. We have the Redis template as a dependency. So inside this very important method called pre-handle, we can get the IP address. We can also have the user agent. This could help us to have a fine-grained control. And then we can basically follow the logic, check if it's in the blacklist. And if not, let's just go count the frequency and check the range of that frequency and the increment or add the blacklist accordingly. Okay, so let's see another one. Web config. This implements the WebMAC configurer. The reason we need that is that we need to register the interceptor into the registry, like the code number 16. Here we also have add path patterns with /users. It means that interceptor only affect on this pattern URLs. Okay, so let's do some tests. Here I have a thread group. I only have one thread, but I will have 20 times. So it just reached the frequent limit. So the expected result is that all should be success. Let's run the test. Okay, so we can see that all are success. Let's also check the Redis. Inside the Redis, we can see, yeah, here comes a new entry with the IP address of also with my user agent. The value is 20. If I hit next time, we're definitely above the limit. We should not get it. So let's start it again. Okay, it is the expected result. All are blocked. All are, yeah. And let's check the value here. Here now we can see it is 40. And we can also do abuse test. Let me disable this one and enable this one. So this one basically do the same thing, but one thread, but 100 times. So after this one, we definitely enter the blocked list. So let's see the result. Okay, all 100 are failure. And let's see if we enter the blocked list or not. We can see the result from here. Okay, this let me just change the method get. It should be get. Let's run the request again, but before that, let me clear the result. Okay, let's run the request. this is the result. Since let's just see the entry from here. Since we have the time limit, after 60 seconds, it will expire. So let me just run the test again. So now we can see all 100 are filled. So let's see if I am in the blacklist or not. Yeah. Now let's see. Yeah, this one. In this set, we anti-abuse blacklist. We have the member, which is my local host. So basically, it means that I enters the IP address is in the blacklist. We can also see the response. If I can see, yeah, you are blocked. So we can also do a quick test. We can just delete this one, and also delete this one. Yeah, after 6 seconds, it disappears. Okay, let's just run the request. Now this time, 26 success. Let's also refresh. We can see the value here. So that's how we use the interceptor to handle the anti-abuse. So to quick recap is that in the Spring Interceptor, we have a method called the prehandle. So in this prehandle, we count the frequency of the IP address of the request and store that in the Redis and handle it accordingly. Hope this helps. Thanks everyone.